Good morning, this is Michael Zipney over at Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa, where I'm going to do a quick walk around on the 2023 Kia Sportage. Not only did they redesign basically the whole car from front to back, but they made it 7 inches longer wheelbase. What does that mean to you? Why do I care if the wheelbase is longer? Because it's a smoother ride. That's what it transitions to, because longer wheelbase, it can absorb the bumps and all the road, the imperfections in the road, make a smoother ride for you. Also, you're going to get as much more cabin space than the old size Sorento. Also, if you come in over here, they've redesigned the whole dash, all touch screen. This is a pretty loaded up one, so you got heated steering wheel, heated cool seats, everything's touch screen, only 2 knobs. You're gonna come back here, you're gonna have the power lift gate. This is a smart lift gate, so if I just walk back here with the keys, it'll start beeping and it'll open up. That can be configured a bunch of different ways. If you look at the room in here, also this is new for the Sportage, where I can drop the seats from back here. There's also, that seat was pretty far back, but also it's important to look at the side of this car and notice that now they come in X-Line and X-Line Pro. What does that mean for you? More rugged look, bigger racks on the top, bigger tires, riding an inch higher. That X-Line and X-Line Pro is going to be translated to the whole product line, including the Telluride. So this is like the future of the product line right here today in a 2023 at Kia. You come and see it, touch it, feel it, and it'll give you an idea if you want to order a 23 Telluride or some of the other cars that we have coming down the line. This is your walk around. Michael Zipney, due to Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa. You know where we are, you know where I'm at, you know what we got.